Good morning, everybody. This is 30th of September. So let us review the market, what it has done today. In 1 minute chart, today we had a golden structure on the buy side. This is yesterday's trading session of 1 minute candlestick chart, starting from this dotted line here on vertical side, ending here. And this is where the today's market has started. I have zoomed out so that you can look at highs and lows, swing highs and swing lows, so that we can create our structure. Yesterday, we had a buying setup here. We made our profit on the first target way back up tomorrow. Combining together yesterday's trade and today's trade, we had this swing lows. This is the first swing low on down while it is getting exhausted. The low of day before yesterday was tried out here. This was the second low. And on third, today at the morning session, market tried to break down this low. This is the third low down. Okay, so we have a consecutive 3 lows here. Putting all this test of 1, 2, 3, this is combined together. This is a second push down because we do not have a candle closing below any of these 3 touches unless and until today morning we see a sharp trade down here. So this is the third one. Okay, this is the first one. So after the second push down, we have a pullback here. As per our golden structure, the pullback, after making the third low, the market should take out the high of the second push down. Once this high is broken, the market has shifted its gear from sell side towards the consolidation or maybe the higher side. Okay. Now this high was taken out by this candle here. So if we can zoom in further down, I'll bring this on the high. You can see this gap up here. After the bullish candle, there is a gap up above this price. So the structure is broken here. Now we wait for market to come and test the second low. The market should be testing the second low, and we enter on the after the second test of this price level. Okay, but the market has given you only the first test and it has reversed back. This sometimes happens and you will not be able to get into the trade. My intention for was to show you that there will be a time when the trades will be perfectly as per our setup, but the entry will not come and you can miss the trade. It is always advisable that you miss a trade rather than just jump into the trade looking at saying that, probably in the, in the hindsight, I have seen the market is always given a first test and moved up. So it's better to wait for the second and third test to be 100% sure to reach our first target. Okay, so however, this was the first test. And on the third test, we are looking at the pin bar, exactly something like this, what it has done on the first test. After a pin bar is done, we want to have a candle closing above the high of this pin bar. And once this candle is closed, the buy is initiated. Your stop loss goes below this pin bar. And your first target is nearest swing high. So you can go with this first target. And then this is the second target. This is what the market will do. Do not counter trade once the structure is broken and the entry is done after engulfing, because the market is very unlikely to come back and go down. It can happen, but it is remotely possible. Maybe 90 to 95% of the time market goes up. And the reason behind is he wants to clear all this liquidity on the way down, which he has created. All these peaks. All these peaks. Okay, these are the liquidities. 1, 2, 3. Okay, market will take this off because lots of sell and buy orders are pending here. So never counter trade this. Once it has been initiated, it will keep going. There is no hard and fast rule up till where the market will go, because there are lots of liquidity on the high side. You can keep trailing in a significant way if you're doing on an intraday till you are stopped out way down, on the way down when the market reverses from any level. Okay, this is how the structure has played today. Hopefully it was helpful for people who is trying to understand the golden structure. You can go back to my a series of videos before. You can study them, you can review them, and you will see that this pattern is very frequent in the market. This is the 10th video I'm making within this month, and we have not yet hit the stop loss from the first target. The first target is 100% achievable. You are not able to miss that. Probably on the second and third, you can be trailing it off. If it is touches the second, comes back, you are getting stopped out, protecting rest of the profit. All right. So if you have not subscribed, you subscribe my channel so that whenever I make a live video or a videos on the coming stocks on the same structures, you will be able to get some notifications. Thank you so much. Let us see post market. If we have structures on the stock side, I will review and post it. Thank you so much.